Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about changes in energy during objects' collision.
Let's begin. What does the word collision mean in science? And the correct answer is letter B, objects hitting each other. Select the picture that best shows what happens when a fast toy car bumps a slow toy car. And the correct answer is letter C, fast car pushes farther. What does the word motion mean? And the correct answer is letter A, movement from one place to another.
Choose the image that shows energy transfer during a marble collision. And the correct answer is letter C, rolling marble collides. A rolling marble hits a marble that is not moving. What will most likely happen? And the correct answer is letter A, the still marble starts moving. Find the picture that best shows a stronger collision producing more sound. And the correct answer is letter B, fast car crashes hard.
Two objects crash into each other. Which collision will most likely make the loudest sound? And the correct answer is letter A, hard collision. Pick the image that best shows a ball changing speed after hitting a wall. And the correct answer is letter C. Ball bounces quickly. Based on the bar graph, which toy truck's speed causes the box to move the farthest? And the correct answer is letter B. Fast.
Select the picture that best shows a collision that transfers more energy. And the correct answer is letter A. Fast car pushes harder. Based on the line graph, what happens to the ball's speed after it hits the wall? And the correct answer is letter B. The ball's speed decreases after collision. Identify the picture that best shows a soccer ball changing motion after impact. And the correct answer is letter C. Ball hits cone hard.
True or false, a collision can change the movement of an object. And the correct answer is letter A. True, because collisions transfer energy. Choose the image that best shows a reason a rolling ball may slow down or stop after a collision. And the correct answer is letter B. Ball hits another object. True or false, energy can move from one object to another during a collision. And the correct answer is letter A. True, because collisions transfer energy.
Find the picture that best shows what happens to a second ball after being hit. And the correct answer is letter C. Second ball moves away. Why does the box move farther when hit by the faster truck? And the correct correct answer is letter B. Faster trucks transfer more energy. Select the image that best shows the marbles changing direction after collision. And the correct answer is letter C. Marbles bounce apart.
A collision can make objects move in different directions. What causes this change? And the correct answer is letter A. Energy transfers during the collision. Pick the picture that best shows sound being produced during a collision. And the correct answer is letter C. Collision produces sound. A stronger bump can make an object move farther. Why? And the correct answer is letter B. Stronger bumps transfer more energy.
Identify the picture that best shows motion changing after a toy car hits blocks. And the correct answer is letter C. Blocks fall after hit. During a collision, the air around objects may become warmer. Why can this happen? And the correct answer is letter A. Some energy changes into heat. Choose the image that best shows energy moving from one object to another during a collision. And the correct answer is letter B. Moving ball hits another ball.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter